Not just say them me do a video and me tell you say yo, you see for that holiday season here, you see for that Christmas here, the man them a find some new way to make money, some new way to scam, some new way to chop, and see it here, it a unfold right in our eyes. People, we there to talk about this. But here we go on. Before we talk about this, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and turn on your post notification after subscribing, so when we drop the exclusive video them like this, you can be one of the first to get notified. Feel free to leave a like so YouTube can recommend this video and this channel to some more people, so them people they can get to see what take place in the Jamaica society, because our aim over here so is to make Jamaica great again. Feel free to leave a comment, share for your thoughts, for your opinion. Too much of the commercial do. Now we are getting to the video. Point of sale scam. Be aware. Good afternoon, members. Please be on the alert for 3 young people who may come to your hotel to book a room. A young lady and 2 gentlemen. I received report from Relax Resort that their POS machine was switched and the crook scammed $10 million off the machine. Also, Verney House had the same problem. The 3 persons arrived at the hotel and asked for a room. They indicated that they would like to see the room first. While the young lady goes to view the room, both gentlemen remain in the lobby. They somehow managed to switch the POS while the front office personnel was away from the decks. You are them people that say get rich or die trying in a real life, because them go so boom and them book a hotel and them say watch ya, we need to see the room first, because we not go just spend our money so and we not feel comfortable in a real life. So them go so boom and send the female if you go check out the room, while the person left with the female them get the chance to switch the POS machine. But me have a strong feeling say them people have to have plan, because remember it's a hotel that them face are sure, everything are sure, them identity is out in the public. It just out there like that. Them not van mask, them not van nothing, and them rob $10 million from the hotel. Them have to have some plan behind that. Before them carry out the attack, them have to make up their minds. So watch ya, if a prison a prison, if a dirt a dirt, as what the man them a say these days. Because how can you go on a robbery where you know say so much camera there and you go bare face? Them have to have a plan, man. Have to have a plan. But unfortunately, them are unwanted. Them gone with that $10 million there, but them wanted right now. The police them want to find them. And me know so when the police them find them, me not think them a go give them no 1 or no 2 year, or give them no 500,000 bail. Well, to the system operate still, possible. But that different, we not talk about that. But in a real life, them people need to spend some time in imprisonment for say yo watcher. You have to work for your things and stop rob people. Because of the same way the hotel owner them have to work for what them want. At the same 24 hour all we have. Is what I say? So when the police them catch them, cause we know so them will catch them. As me say, them identity out there sure. So the police them have to catch them, my friend. You see me? So when the police them catch them, me no want hear say 1 month later, them grant them bail at 500,000 or $1 million. We no want hear say that go on. We want them feel the consequences of what them a do. Because a 2 hotel reports say something like this go on. And we just assume say a them same one got both hotel. You see what I say? New scam alert. As me did tell you, as me did mention it in the previous video, the Christmas season, the holiday season, and when the man them decide to go hard, and when the man them decide to find some other way of income, and them are carry out them activity there by any means necessary. You see me? As me say, them know where them a get themselves in about. Them not really care because as me say, is either get rich or die trying. And that them say. So them not really care with the penalty we come behind all of those criminal activity. Them just want to know say them get them 15 minutes of fame. When not last not even for the 15 minutes. You see me? Because most of them all go in at this lifestyle and buy them car, buy them house, and them not get the use of it. Them not even buy them car 1 month good, and them get dash way. Or the police them, or the mocha them running pan them. So as me say, this never worth it at the end of the day. It can't worth it. Because why sense you go make? Why sense it a make? For you scam people, you rob people, and yet still couple months down the drain, are you that gone pan fridge? Them thing they don't make no sense, brother. This is what I said, no sense them thing they don't make. But if you just find yourself a 9 to 5, go and put in the work, even when the cash are coming slow, but just have faith, go and put in the work and trust the process, trust God. You see me? One day things are for better. One day if you grow on and rob people so, and kill people so. You see me? It don't make no sense. So just do the right thing. But people want to think though. A $10 million that them move from the hotel, you know. Just like that, you know. 3 of them, you know. You see me? 3 of them move $10 million from a hotel. Right now, them they on the run. Them identity out there. People know them. People are give them up. So, until them time there, we they have to report back on them when the police them hold on on them. We know so the police them are catch up on them. Them are hold them. And maybe I'll dash them with one. But until then, subscribe to the channel if you're new and click the bell. Share this video with a friend so that friend they can share it with the next friend. Remember, the aim over here so if you make Jamaica great again. Yeah man, support the movement. Until the next time.